A to Z, come rap with me. Let's learn animals, 1, 2, 3. Bounce to the beat, clap your hands. Sing it loud all across the land. A is for alligator, snapping real loud with a grin so wide. Creeping through the water, better step aside. B is for bear, big and strong, that stomp so proud. Roaring real loud in the forest crowd. C is for cat, tiptoe soft, I creep at night. But when I dance, I jump so high. D is for dolphin, flipping through the waves, I splash and glide. Swimming to the beat, yeah, come for a ride. E is for elephant, I stomp so heavy, hear the ground shake, swinging my trunk, make the jungle wake. F is for frog, hop, hop, ribbit, bouncing to the beat, can you dig it? G is for giraffe, stretch up high, way up tall, look at the world from way up, y'all. H is for horse, gallop real fast, I run like the breeze, moving to the groove with the greatest ease. I is for iguana, chilling in the sun, yeah, I take it slow, but when the beat drops, I'm ready to go. J is for jackrabbit, quick feet jump, I zip so fast, bouncing to the rhythm, never coming last. K is for koala, hugging my tree, I sleep all day, but wake me up and I'm ready to play. L is for lion, king of the jungle, hear me roar, stepping on the mic, I run this floor. M is for monk, swinging so wild from tree to tree, dancing to the beat, you can't catch me. N is for narwhal, keeping the ocean horn so bright, glowing like a star in the Arctic night. O is for owl, woo, I see it all, flying through the night, never let me fall. P is for penguin, while side to side I slide so cool, dressed up fresh like I rule the school. Q is for crocodile, smiling all day, bringing good vibes, clapping to the beat, feel the rhythm inside. R is for rabbit, long ears up, jumping left to right, tapping my feet, let's dance all night. S is for snake, slither and slide, I move so smooth, it's to the beat, yeah, watch my groove. T is for tiger, fast like lightning, strike so bold, running this track like I'm in control. U is for unicorn, magical moves, dancing on air, glitter in my trail, put your hands in the air. V is for vulture, circling high, looking so fly, spread my wings, I touch the sky. W is for whale, big and strong, I sing so deep, echo through the ocean, hear that beat. X is for x-ray fish, through me I'm glowing bright, shining in the water day and night. Y is for yak, fluffy and tough, I climb so high, rap on the mountain, reach the sky. C is for zebra, stripes on fleek, I run so fast, dancing to the beat, first never last. C, come rap with me, let's learn animals, 1, 2, 3. Bounce to the beat, clap your hands, sing it loud all across the land.